Imagine waking up one morning, but instead of being full of energy, you feel lethargic. Your muscles are not as toned as before, your mood is erratic, and your passion seems to be fading. What happened? The answer lies in a powerful hormone known as male fuel, testosterone. This hormone not only determines physical strength and sexual ability, but also affects memory, concentration, and self-confidence. When natural testosterone drops, your body changes in ways you can hardly imagine. From health to body shape to emotions, everything is affected. In this video, you will discover the common causes of low testosterone, identify the early warning signs, and most importantly, simple, natural, easy-to-do tips every day to help you restore your inherent masculine energy. This is not just a health video, it is the key to regaining your strength, courage, and peak performance. Actually, this is not a personal matter. Millions of men and women are experiencing these signs every day. But few know that the main culprit is natural testosterone, which is gradually decreasing over time. Testosterone is an important hormone that not only creates masculine characteristics such as muscles, beards, and voices, but is also directly related to energy, mood, concentration, and quality of life. When natural testosterone decreases, the body no longer functions as before, and everything from health, appearance, and emotions change. Just like a car needs gas, the body needs natural testosterone, and many people are lacking it without knowing it. Try to remember when you were young. At 18 or 20, you wake up full of energy, go to the gym, and your muscles will bulge, and you will be extremely energetic, confident when going out, and full of fire in everything. That is when testosterone is at its highest. But as time goes by, work stress, staying up late, drinking and eating haphazardly, testosterone gradually decreases without warning. It just goes down slowly. By the time you realize it, your belly is big, your shoulders are slouched, and your body is tired. Scientifically speaking, testosterone peaks around 20 to 25 years old. After the age of 30, testosterone levels begin to decrease, on average about 1% per year. Some people decrease faster because of bad lifestyles, staying up late, drinking alcohol, smoking, lack of exercise, eating too much sugar, too much saturated fat. For women, testosterone also plays an important role, just at a lower concentration. But when it decreases, it also causes fatigue, decreased libido, and early osteoporosis. You may be wondering what happens to your body when testosterone decreases. First of all, about muscles. Testosterone is an anabolic hormone, which means it helps the body build muscle. When you lose weight, even if you exercise regularly, your muscles will have difficulty developing, even gradually atrophying, and your body will become flabby and lack firmness. Many men who exercise for a whole year still have beer bellies and shrimp arms for this reason. Next is belly fat. When testosterone decreases, the fat-burning process slows down, especially fat in the lower abdomen. This is the most stubborn fat area related to internalization. You eat the same as before but still gain weight or have a pot belly, even though your weight has not increased much. Third, desire and physiological function. Low testosterone is one of the factors contributing to erectile dysfunction, along with many other causes such as cardiovascular, neurological, or psychological. Many people are reluctant to talk about this, but it strongly affects psychology and family relationships. For women, decreased testosterone also causes dryness and decreased pleasure. Next is the spirit. Testosterone is related to the brain, emotions, and motivation. When it decreases, you are prone to sadness, loss of motivation, or anger. Feeling older than your age makes you feel more self-conscious. There are also studies that show low testosterone is related to mild depression. As for bones and joints, testosterone helps maintain bone density. Lack of it causes weak bones, osteoporosis, early fractures, back pain, and joint pain. Not to mention, it also affects the cardiovascular system. Low testosterone is related to hyperlipidemia, high blood pressure. So the big question is there a way to improve testosterone naturally? The answer is yes, but not by taking medicine or some miracle drug floating around the internet, but by changing your lifestyle. 1. Get enough sleep, and sleep on time. Sleep is when the body produces hormones, including testosterone. Lack of sleep reduces testosterone immediately after just a few days. A study at the University of Chicago showed that just sleeping 5 hours a night for a week, testosterone in young, healthy men decreased by 10 to 15%. This level is equivalent to the decline commonly seen in older people about 10 to 15 years. So try to sleep 7 to 8 hours, go to bed before 11 p.m. to reduce stress. Stress increases cortisol, a hormone that counteracts testosterone. The more stressed you are, the lower your testosterone will be. You can practice deep breathing, meditation, yoga, or simply take 15 minutes a day to relax and go for a light walk. 3. Eat enough protein, good fats, zinc. Testosterone needs raw materials to produce. Protein helps build muscle. Good fats, omega-3, olive oil, avocado. Seeds help synthesize hormones. Zinc in oysters, seafood, red meat. Very important for normal testicular function. Do not diet too much. Do not cut out fat completely. For strength training, especially squats, deadlifts, and bench presses, can help testosterone temporarily increase after a workout. Maintaining a regular exercise routine will bring lasting results. 5. Avoid alcohol and tobacco. These are the enemies of testosterone. Drinking too much alcohol damages the target cells in the testicles where testosterone is produced. Tobacco causes vasoconstriction, reducing blood flow. 6. Weight control. A lot of belly fat is often related to lower testosterone levels. Because the aromatase enzyme in fat can convert testosterone into estrogen. Therefore, controlling belly fat helps balance hormones better. 7. Exposure to sunlight. Sunlight helps synthesize vitamin D, which is closely related to testosterone. 15 to 20 minutes in the early morning is enough. 8. Regular health checkups. If you suspect low testosterone, you should get tested at a reputable hospital to get accurate data. From there, the doctor can advise on these things. It sounds familiar, but it is the most solid foundation. Don't believe in the advertisements that drinking will increase testosterone immediately. If it is effective, it is only support. The core is still lifestyle. I want to emphasize one thing. Improving natural testosterone is not only to be more energetic or handsome, but also to be healthy, stay young, have a stable mind, work effectively, and be happier. When they are balanced, your whole life will change. Imagine waking up every morning and feeling full of energy. Looking in the mirror and seeing toned muscles, a clear mind, a happy mood, coming home to your family comfortably at night, and there is no more pressure. That is not a dream. It is completely real if you persevere in changing, and it doesn't cost money, just discipline and habits. Keeping natural testosterone healthy is also part of maintaining overall health. It is not just for athletes or gym goers, but for anyone who wants a quality life. I know many people who watch this video will be surprised. But, oh, I have all these signs. Don't panic. The beauty of the body is that it has the ability to heal if you give it the conditions. You just need to start with small changes. Sleep an hour earlier, reduce the beer every night, walk every morning, do lightweight training. Every small habit adds up to make a big difference. Testosterone is like a silent fire that feeds your strength, confidence, and courage. When that fire fades, your body will speak up through fatigue, lack of concentration, decreased libido, even low self-esteem. But just by making simple habits like getting enough sleep, eating healthy, exercising regularly, and keeping your mind at ease, you are giving your body the chance to naturally regenerate testosterone to regain the energy, vitality, and balance you deserve. Remember, age can cause testosterone to decline, but it's your lifestyle that determines whether you can maintain peak performance or not. If you found this content helpful, leave a comment sharing your experience. Have you ever experienced signs of low testosterone? What did you do to improve? Who knows, your story might help someone else. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on nutrition tips, mental health tips, and natural methods designed to improve your health from the inside out. This information is educational and reference only. Different bodies will react differently. Always talk to a medical professional when needed.